I was unloading the dishwasher again after another too long day, and all I could think was, is this it? Is this the only creative space I get now? Hi, I'm Angela. I've been a content creator in the YouTube space and beyond for quite a while. If you've ever had that thought while folding laundry or cleaning up after dinner, this video might be for you. Because no, it's not too late, and you're definitely not boring. You're right on time. So in the past, there were nights I wanted to make a video, but instead I'd feel guilty. Shouldn't I be catching up on chores or spending that time with the kids? For a long time, I told myself my life wasn't interesting enough. But I've since learned something that changed everything. Taking time to create isn't selfish, it's self-expression. Let me say that again. Taking time to create isn't selfish, it's self-expression. And creativity, it's not a luxury, it's a form of self-care. In fact, studies show that creative hobbies like storytelling and journaling can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. So if you feel pulled toward creating, it's not silly, it's your soul asking to come out and play. What is my point? Here's number 1. Life experience is your superpower. You've survived heartbreak, I imagine. You've maybe raised tiny humans, weathered loss, reinvented your identity more than once. That's not ordinary, that's cinematic. You know, people connect with depth, with truth, and with perspective. And here's the cool part. 35% of content creators today are over 40. And that number is rising fast. Because what brands and communities are really looking for now is trust. And you've earned it. Main point number 2, your audience is aging with you. Here's something most people don't realize. More than half of adults aged 45 to 60 use TikTok to research products before buying. They want advice from people who look like them, live like them, and shop like them. That means your grocery haul, your camping chair review, your home organization routine, they matter. Your lifestyle isn't niche, it's relatable. And relatability, that's influence in its most powerful form. Main point number 3, creativity is mental health care. When you create something, you're not just filling a feed, you're filling your own cup. Whether it's vlogging your morning walk, telling a funny story about your dog, or editing together a recipe with some lo-fi beats, that joy you feel, that clarity, that's the point. This doesn't have to lead to a big business or a brand deal. It can just be yours. And sometimes that's the most sacred kind of content. Main point number 4, humor and storytelling are healing. So let's be honest, the videos you remember are the one where someone accidentally microwaved their AirPods or shared that one time they yelled, "I love you" to a stranger thinking it was their husband. I don't know who's done that. That's the stuff that sticks. It's comforting, human, unexpected, memorable. And truthfully, we need so much more of that energy online. We're all looking for it. So why don't you be the one to bring that? Whether you're the funny friend or the quiet storyteller, your voice has value. Don't be afraid to let it echo. Main point number 5, you can evolve as you go. You don't need a niche right away. You don't need a plan. You don't need to even be confident. You just need curiosity. One short video, one imperfect attempt, that's all it takes to unlock the momentum. And honestly, you could always delete those videos later once you get really good at what you're doing. Maybe you'll never pitch a brand, or maybe you will. But no matter where you land, your creative expression today is reason enough to begin. So if you've been sitting on the edge of someday, this is your sign. You're not too late, you're not too tired, you're not too behind. Let's rephrase that. Let's instead say, you are seasoned, wise, hilarious, relatable, flawed, brilliant, and right on time. Start with doing your dishes, making some food. Start with your dog. Start with any part of your story, but most importantly, start. If any part of this made you feel seen or you have any questions, come say hi on Instagram at TheAngelaJoy. And in the next video, I'm breaking down 3 things new creators over 40 get stuck on and how to actually start. We'll be talking about gear, doubt, and what to film first, even if you're camera shy. So I'll see you over here next time.